A very good morning, students. In this video I'm going to explain ABC costing 6 marks problem, and this is the last problem in 6 marks. Let's go through the problem. A company manufactures two products, that is A and B, using common facilities, and the following information are given to calculate the cost per unit under activity based costing. So details are, they are manufacturing two products, product A and product B, and this is the number of units. Under product A they're manufacturing 3000 units, under product B they're manufacturing 20,000 units, and this is the direct material and direct labor cost which are incurred to produce product A and product B. And the next, total machine hours were given, total number of setups and total number of purchase orders were given. Now, and after that they have given the overhead cost. The first one, volume related activity, that is 5 lakh rupees. So volume related activity, it is based on the total number of machine hours. And the next one, setup related expenses, that is 4 lakh rupees. Nothing but the cost of setup, that is based on the total number of setups. Next, the last one, expenses related to orders, nothing but ordering cost, that is based on total number of orders. So these are the activities and these are the cost drivers, that is volume related activity based on machine hours, setup related activity based on number of setups, and ordering cost based on number of orders. Now in ABC costing, first calculate activity driver rates. So there are three activities were given. The first activity, volume related activity, the formula is volume related activity divided by total machine hours. So volume related activity is 5 lakh. So here 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees divided by total machine hours. So total machine hours is 10,000 for product A and 50,000 for product B. So total machine hours will be 10 plus 50, 60,000. So 60,000 is a total number of machine hours. Now the cost per machine hours will be 5 lakh divided by 60,000. It will be rupees 8.33 per hour, per machine hour. Now move to next activity, setup cost, setup related expenses. The formula is setup cost divided by total number of setups, because setup cost is based on total number of setup. So setup cost is rupees 4 lakh and total number of setups will be 10 for product A and 30 for product B. So total setups will be 40. 10 plus 30, 40. So 4 lakh divided by 40. 4 lakh divided by 40. So cost per setup will be 10,000. 10,000 per setup. Now move to last activity, ordering related cost. The formula is ordering cost divided by total number of orders. So the cost of order is rupees 3 lakh 50. So here rupees 3 lakh 50. 3 lakh 50 divided by ordering cost based on total number of orders. So total number of orders will be 60 for A and 140 for B. So total number of orders will be 60 plus 140, 200. The cost per order will be 3,50,000 divided by 200. That is rupees 1,750 is the cost per order. So we have calculated activity driver rates. So for volume related activity, 8.33 per hour. For setup cost, 10,000 per setup, and ordering cost 1,750 per order. Now move on to cost sheet. So this is a format of cost sheet, particulars, product A and product B. So first enter direct material and direct labor. In this problem, direct material and direct labor cost were given. So first enter the variable expenses. So first direct material and direct labor. First one, direct material and then direct labor. So the direct material cost for product A, direct material cost for product A is 50,000 and for product B is 1,50,000. So they only given 50,000 and 1,50,000. 50,000 for product A and 1,50,000 for product B. Next move to direct labor. So direct labor for product A is 40,000 and 70,000 for product B. So 40,000 for product A and 70,000 for product B. So direct material and direct labor variable expenses were over. Now move on to activity cost. So the first one, volume related activity. Volume related activity. So volume related activity, it is based on total number of machine hours. So in this problem, the total number of machine hours is 10,000 for product A and 50,000 for product B. So 10,000 for product A, then 50,000 for product B. And what's the rate per hour? So rate per hour will be rupees 8.33 per hour. So multiplied by with 8.33. So you will get 83,300, and next for product B multiplied by 8.33 you will get 4,16,500. Now volume related activity is over. Now move on to the next activity. The second activity is setup related cost. Setup related cost is based on number of setups. So number of setups for product A is 10, for product B is 30. So 10 for product A and 30 for product B. So what's the cost per setup? Cost per setup will be, that we calculated in activity driver rates. So per setup is 10,000 per setup multiplied by 10,000 per setup. 10,000 per setup. So product A will be 10 multiplied by 10,000, that is 1 lakh. And for product B, 30 multiplied by 10,000. So 3 lakh. 3 lakh rupees. So setup related cost is over. Now the last activity is ordering cost. Ordering cost. So ordering cost is based on number of orders. So total number of orders for product A is 60 and for product B is 140. So 60 for product A, then 140 for product B. And what's the cost per order? Cost per order will be rupees 1,750 per order. So 1,750. Here 1,750 multiplied by 1,750. So for product A, 1,05,000, and for product B, 2,45,000. Now make total. So this is the total cost. Total cost for product A, 50,000 plus 40,000, 83,300 plus 1 lakh plus 1,05,000. So total cost for product A is rupees 3,78,300. And calculate total cost for product B, that is 1,50,000, 70,000, 4,16,500, then 3 lakh plus 2,45,000. So total cost will be rupees 11,81,500. So total cost for product A is 3,78,300 and total cost for product B is 11,81,500. Now calculate cost per unit. So total cost that we have calculated, now calculate cost per unit. In order to calculate cost per unit, divide by number of units produced. So divided by number of units. Under product A, we have produced how much? Under product A, the company has produced 3,000 units, and under product B, the company has produced 20,000 units. So 3,000 units for product A and 20,000 units for product B. 20,000 units for product B. Now cost per unit. Cost per unit. So rupees 3,78,300 rupees incurred to produce 3,000 units. Then how much for 1 unit? For 1 unit will be rupees 126.1. And for product B, 11,81,500 rupees incurred to produce 20,000 units of product B. Then how much cost incurred to produce 1 unit? That is 11,81,500 divided by 20,000 units. You will get 59 rupees per unit. 59 rupees per unit. And here 126.1 rupee per unit. So this is the solution for problem number 4. So here the 6 marks problems were over. In next class onwards, I will start ABC costing 14 marks problems. Thank you, students.